Good evening, everyone. My name is Richard Stewart, and I'm here to share with you my business concept and website, Majestic Expressions. So, a little background about the website. I was inspired to do this because as a kid, I've always enjoyed poetry. I love music. I loved writing lyrics and putting words together. When I heard rappers like Eric B. and Rakim, it just inspired me so much because of the way they delivered things and metaphors and similes that they could put together. So, as I grew up, this still was near and dear to my heart, and I enjoy performing. I enjoy getting on stage. So, this just made a whole lot of sense to create something that kind of matches my identity. So, Majestic Expressions, the purpose of it, we say at Majestic Expressions, we pride ourselves on delivering your expressions and emotions of love and caring thoughts through poetry, quotes, and greeting cards. So, my audience can be anybody, kids, adults, anyone who has a desire and a wants to send a nice gesture to someone. We can sit down and customize and create a card specifically for them, a quote or some type of business letter, whatever it might be. We'd be able to accommodate those needs and desires. So I have a lot of text, some original pictures. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of this. So as I go into the next page here, the About page just tells you a little bit about me, about Majestic Expressions, and what kind of products and services that we have available. Okay. So you can see here, this is a quote that I wrote: "A loss is just a win with intentions to make us better." So I have a branding Facebook page as well, Born for Excellence. You can check that out and see a lot of things that's going on. When we get down into the bottom portion of this, it gives you some background information, like we kind of discussed earlier, about me and how I got started, and how this website just culminates a lot of different ideas, and really brings a presence for people who want to engage in poetry or want to do a little something extra for that special someone. Okay. The next page is about the different services we have. We talked about the quotes there. And when you look at the full page, when it's up and running, when you click on the actual URL instead of the back office, it shows you some other quotes and different things in there. This just gives you an idea of some of the products that we can offer you. So greeting cards, spoken word. If you wanted to book an artist, I'd be able to come out. We can customize some things for you for that special someone, depending upon what it is that you need. We also have some positive apparel, so different quotes and sayings and poems and things that you can have on a shirt, a jacket. Maybe you want some jewelry with some particular special words or some identifiers that you would like to have. We can get those things done for you as well. Okay. We go to the next page here. Okay. This talks about some of the events and things that we are actively working on and things that we're doing in the neighborhood. Not only are we writing and customizing cards, we're also putting on shows and events or participating in fundraisers. So there's a lot of different things that you can be actively engaging with Majestic Expressions. We have a mentorship program as well. So if anybody wanted to be a part of mentoring other people who want to write poetry, if you have those wordsmiths out there that want to engage in that, then we work collectively as a team, as a group, to get that done. We travel to different cities, and we look for people who would want to be involved in impacting other young poets' lives, or people that are aspiring to be poets. Okay. And last page, okay, just some contact information. Background is Hawaii that you see there. That's where I live. I'm on the beautiful island of Oahu. This is out in North Shore. Just some pictures that I was able to capture and put in here. So a lot of good, opportunity, I think, with this idea. And I'm glad that I was able to share with you. My name is Richard Stewart, and I hope that everybody's having, a fantastic experience building their websites. All right, we'll talk to you soon.